Hello, everyone. This is Heena, ma'am, your English educator. And today's topic is very, very interesting. And this is something that you all must know about in a proper way, right? तो आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम नाउन सीरीज में जो हमारे नेक्स्ट काइंड्स रह गए हैं, दैट इज a collective noun and also material nouns. So today we are going to talk about what are collective nouns and material nouns. So are you ready to start with me? Yes, let's get started right away. I'm sharing my screen with you and here we go. So children, firstly, I welcome you all to this session एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एट द सेम टाइम कि आज हमारा जो नाउन सीरीज है वो फिनिश हो जाएगा. In this series, we have already discussed about what are common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, and today we will be wrapping up the collective and material nouns. Children, one thing is very important. In case you want me to pick up something which is included in your syllabus for term 2, or if you feel that you need to know more about a particular concept in grammar or in writing section or in any other thing in language, let me know. I must know that so that I direct myself accordingly. So this is one thing that you need to work on. Just brainstorm about the topics, the concepts that you feel are required. So I'll be preparing myself up accordingly. All right. So welcome to the noun series once again. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right away. Thank you. All right. So talking about collective noun. What is a collective noun? Now, children, as the name itself is telling you, collective comes from the word collect or collection. So when it comes to the word collection, that means we are talking about something that's in the group, something that's gathered, right? Something like jhund in Hindi. So collective noun means collection of anything. किसी भी चीज के ग्रुप को, किसी भी चीज के झुंड को हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. अब मैंने क्या कहा है? किसी भी चीज के, यानी कि इट हैज टू बी अ नाउन. कलेक्शन जो होता है हमेशा नाउन का होता है, इसीलिए वो कलेक्टिव नाउन कहलाता है. सो कलेक्टिव नाउन इज द नाउन which denotes a number of persons or things as a group, as a collection. It names a collection. किसी भी ग्रुप को, किसी भी, कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो इकट्ठी है, एक जैसी चीजें इकट्ठी हैं, जैसे एक पैकेट है उसमें बहुत सारे पेन्स हैं, तो वो कलेक्शन ऑफ पेन्स हो गया, राइट? तो कलेक्शन ऑफ पेन्स को एक नाम दे दिया गया, पैकेट ऑफ पेन्स. Are you getting me? So this is how it is. Like for an example, a litter. Litter means collection of lot of puppies. बहुत सारे puppies अगर आप इकट्ठे देखते हैं, तो you don't have to say that, see, there are so many puppies. No, don't say that. In fact, you should rather be speaking it like this. See, there's a litter of puppy. So it will look very smart. It will look updated. And you will also feel confident that, see, I have used a new word or a good word for a particular thing. So litter is for collection of puppies. Then comes bunch. अब बेटा bunch कई चीजों का होता है. बंच ऑफ कीज भी सुना होगा आपने, बंच ऑफ बनानास भी कहा जाता है, और बंच ऑफ एक और चीज मैंने तो सुनी है, बट आई वांट यू टू डू दैट. यू ब्रेनस्टॉर्म की बंच और किस किस चीज के लिए यूज होता है, एंड पुट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन सो दैट आई नो वेदर यू नो इट और नॉट. So bunch is again a collection of keys, collection of fruit called banana. Fleet. First, let me write side by side. Then comes fleet. Now fleet is of buses, collection of buses together. बहुत सारी buses अगर आपके स्कूल के बाहर खड़ी होती हैं तो आप ये कहने के बजाय कि देखो कितनी सारी buses हैं और maybe see lot of buses are there, so many buses are there, many buses are parked. No, you say there is a fleet of buses outside our school gate. This will look smarter. A bouquet. Bouquet, collection of flowers. You can see the picture on my screen. Bouquet of flowers. Then comes flight. Flight of stairs. आपने देखा होगा आपके स्कूल में, घर में जो सीढ़ियां होती हैं, उनकी जो अरेंजमेंट होता है सीढ़ियों का, सारी सीढ़ियों को टुगेदर वी ऑलवेज कॉल अ फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेयर्स. क्राउड, लोगों के झुंड को कहते हैं. सो क्राउड इज फॉर पीपल. क्राउड देखते हैं ना मार्केट में, कई बार दिवाली के टाइम पे या किसी भी रेगुलर मार्केट में आप देखोगे बहुत भीड़ होती है. कई बार संडे मार्केट, मंडे मार्केट, whatever market it is, but if it is very crowded, if it is with lot of people, then you will say there's a crowd of people outside or anywhere, whatever sentence you make. A mob, गुस्साए हुए लोगों का झुंड. Yeah. So this is again for people, mob of people, but those people who are angry or maybe those who are protesting against something. So keep these in mind. These are just general examples of collective nouns. There are plenty others to learn and register in your minds. So let's see what all are they. You must learn at least 20 to 25 collective nouns, which are always going to benefit you, especially when you are communicating. It's always good to add on new words in your vocabulary, in your regular language or expression. So, like we have a flock. Now, all the words which are black bold on my screen are the real examples of collective nouns. You all must just register this. If you want, you can prepare a list in your rough notebook. You can just keep these in mind and continue to use them in your day-to-day conversation. Flock of sheep, shoal of fish, swarm of bees, pack of wolves, dogs, playing cards, fleet of ships, trucks, aeroplanes, buses also I told you, herd of cattle, bunch of grapes. Haha, it's all out now. So yes, the third word which I was asking you to tell me is grapes. Bundle of sticks, a class of students or learners also you can write. These days we also call student a learner. So yes, learners. Fleet of stairs, band of musicians, an orchard of fruit trees, a crew of sailors, a galaxy of stars, a range of mountains, a jury of judges, a regiment of soldiers, a litter of puppies, a pride of lions, and a team of players. One thing to note, since collective noun always names a collection, a group of something, so whenever you write a collective noun like a, a bundle of, then the bundle of and that particular noun, the common noun which you would use, will be in the plural. You have to keep that in mind. अब बंडल ऑफ स्टिक नहीं लिखेंगे आप, बिकॉज ये बच्चे 80% बच्चे ये गलती करते हैं. अ बंडल ऑफ stick will be incorrect. A bundle of sticks will be correct. Because you are naming a collection of noun that is a stick. बट हम कलेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो यहां पर जो आप नाउन लिखेंगे, जिसके लिए आप वो कलेक्टिव नाउन यूज कर रहे हैं, वो प्लूरल में लिखा जाएगा हमेशा। अ फ्लीट ऑफ शिप्स, नॉट शिप। Bouquet of flowers, not flower. All right. One more thing to note, please. Never ever mistake the spelling of bouquet. It's a very simple one, but you can always break the word. That's how you remember the spelling of bouquet. Many a times it has been seen that people around all over the world often get confused or often mistake with the spelling of bouquet. So it's Bouquet, bouquet. All right. So happy learning. Continue to learning. There's no age, no limit, no time to learn. You can constantly, it's a constant process always. Okay. Coming to the material now. Again, as I always tell you, beta, most of the things are already communicated. Now, if I talk about material noun, you will definitely wonder that there is something related to material, some stuff, right? So, material noun actually is the noun that is used to name a material, which is a thing that is made. It refers to a substance which may be in the form of solid, liquid, or gas. And remember, it is always singular. It is never plural. One more thing, material nouns are actually the nouns which are used as an additive or some ingredient. जैसे मान लीजिए मैंने कोई डिश बनानी है और उस डिश में मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें डालनी है, तो जो भी चीजें मेरी मेनली उसमें बेसिक चीजें जो मैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स की तरह डालूंगी, कोई सब्सटेंस डालूंगी जैसे सॉल्ट, शुगर, मिल्क, बटर, ये सब मटेरियल नाउन की तरह काउंट होगा उसमें. Sometimes we often get confused between material noun and common noun. So now, material noun can be taken as common noun, specifically in those cases when material noun is not being talked about. तो कई बार क्वेश्चन आ जाता है पेपर में अगर, जिसमें आपको मटेरियल नाउन भी पूछा है और कॉमन नाउन भी पूछा है, तब आप क्या करेंगे? देन यू विल बी थॉटफुल अबाउट यूजिंग द एक्चुअल वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग इट आउट. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि ये सब्सटेंस है तो फिर और मटेरियल पूछा गया है तो ये मटेरियल नाउन में ही आएगा. अगर ये लिखा है आई लाइक शुगर, और मे बी यू कैन से माई मदर यूज्ड शुगर while she made a cake, तो इसमें शुगर विल बी काउंटेड एज अ मटेरियल नाउन. बट अगर मटेरियल नाउन उस क्वेश्चन में नहीं पूछा है तो इन दैट केस आप उसे कॉमन नाउन कंसिडर कर सकते हैं अगर क्वेश्चन में कॉमन नाउन पूछा गया है तो. सो डोंट एवर गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. ऐसी जो भी कंफ्यूजन होती है बेटा, इट इज ऑलवेज गुड टू रीच आउट टू योर टीचर्स, योर एडुकेटर्स. So now that I am taking the sessions regularly, I think you can stay in touch with me and clarify all these doubts. It's not just about clarifying a particular doubt which is related to the session that I'm taking right now. It is about any doubt that comes to your mind. Doubt can be any, and it can be of any sort. But getting a complete and correct solution at the right time is what that matters. I think you get me what I'm saying. So anybody who is watching this video, be it an adult, be it an educator himself or herself, ensure that you are constantly in touch with me so that I know what all are the difficulties that you face in grammar. All right. So I'll definitely try to resolve that as soon as possible. All right. So there are a few examples of material noun: oil, wood, thread, glass, sugar, milk, cotton, flour. Now it is not flour. Let me help you with the pronunciation as well. It's not flour, it's flour. That is the reason why it is taken as homophone. It is actually a homophone because when we say a flower, this flower is also a flower. So this is a homophone. So flower is the right pronunciation. Then comes wheat, cement, glass, any other thing which is used as material. Diamond, silver, brass, golden, ये सब substances होते हैं बेटा, ये सब material nouns होंगे अगर आपको material noun पूछा जा रहा है. Or if you have been directed to find out or identify material noun in any set of sentences. So I hope I've been able to just give the justice to this particular concept. And with this, the class comes to an end. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I think you should do that right away because I'll work as per my learners. I will see what is required by you and it will help me direct myself to work on it accordingly. So do like the video if you liked it, if it helped you adding on to some new thing or knowledge. And that's it. Happy learning. So continue to follow me and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.